Okay, driver.
Yeah, Mark, I like your car, man.
Oh,
Might need to buy a new one as well.
it's alright, isn't it? That's cheap as well. Check it out. 125, I think.
How much?
Was it 125,000? I'll have a look now.
Oh, I dare.
Oh,
Waiting for a train at the moment.
that popped me out of my menus. I'm just lying down. What am I doing on your screen now?
You're rolling all over the place.
Yeah.
It's brilliant.
Right, hold on. It kicks me out of the menu every time I fall over.
Alright.
Carbon Desire, it's right at the bottom, and it is... Ah, it's 195,000, sorry.
That's alright there, still, yeah.
Yeah, it's still there.
But I'm gonna take a picture in a minute, Mark.
Oh.
And,
Where'd you go?
I'm in the dirt. My feet are dangling out the bottom.
There you go.
Oh! Oh! Oh, hold on, I gotta get a photo of that. It's got you sat in there and it's got Skyver written on the door. Oh, car's coming. And now you're having a wank in the car.
Gotta do what you
Have
gotta
a
do.
wank. That's what a lot of truckers do as well. I've met a few.
Mark, you should be receiving a photo very shortly. Send it to me.
Oh.
Then?
Am I? Yeah, I'm still in the dirt. No, I'm right at the back. Let me move forward. Oh. Try, we'll go, yeah, go forward. We'll get onto a main road. Try and get some speed up. I'll go to the back and then just slam the anchors on and see if I slam into the cabin.
Oh.
Oh, hold on.
Oh shit.
I just turned round to see that. That straightened you up.
The back's a bit fucked now.
Oh
but,
yeah,
you know.
it is. That dirt's not coming out though, is it? Oh
Yeah, Mark,
Jesus!
you should be,
You are though.
be receiving a picture message on your phone right about now, mate.
Righto, I'm gonna need some snacks. Oh, for fuck's sake, man! Is that where you parked it? I saw this date of my my Corvette when it came back. He's parked it on the wall up against some railings. How the fuck do you get it in
Mate,
there?
it's in the fucking, it's under the tunnel with the trains, mate. I was driving it, taking it for a test bit, and I suddenly decided to try and loop the loop. And as I did, I landed in there, like, on the other side of the railings. But the way
Always
the car's
leaving
still
style, huh?
alright. If you order another car out, that one should be automatically put back into your garage.
Yeah, no, I know. Yeah, that's right. Oh no, that's it. I've lost it forever now.
But yeah, I think I'm going to buy that one.
Yeah, it's quite nice. I'm going to get my
You're through to
Humvee
your garage.
in
You
and sell it.
need me to bring you a ride?
Patriot, isn't it?
I'll get there as soon as I
Yeah.
can.
That'll be 100 grand right there.
They'll get an iPhone mark, apparently.
Ah, what the fuck? Just got run over by a fire truck.
Smooth.
Right, what was that car called, Mark?
The Carbonazar. It's on the right hand side and it's about halfway down again. It's red. Carbonazar something.
Buying it.
You got it? That fire engine's up here, it's crashed into the wall. Oh fucking hell, I thought my Humvee was there.
You piece of shit! Want it? You got it, idiot! Shit! Oh. You're a waste of space. Scum on the earth! Bessie!
Why did they all run away then? Oh, I got my gun out. That might be why. My car's under here somewhere.
Alright, Mark.
Hey?
See me?
Hold on. I'm just coming out.
I don't know if you can. Hang on. Stay there.
Oh, there you are, yeah. What are you doing?
I may have glitched it.
Glitched
Again?
what?
I'm in the bridge, mate.
Oh, you're in the bridge. I thought you were behind that container. Shoot again? Oh, you're in the bridge. Massively in the bridge. Deep in the bridge. What does it look like?
It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Coming in? Don't know how to get out, but you coming in?
Yeah, I just got to flog me Humvee.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
Okay. That's a weird way to get out.
Here for the magic touch?
But I told you there'd be a bloody glitch round by Lester's warehouse.
What am I doing?